Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your fuser out of the back of your Xerox VersaLink C505 or C500 printer. I'm Matthew and this is the printing workshop. The fuser is very hot, so be very careful when you're handling it. And also, you're going to want to turn your machine off before taking the fuser out, so that way you don't get any 010 errors whenever you put it back in. First thing you're going to want to do is open the back cover. And right inside the back cover, right here on the machine side, is your fuser. Now to take the fuser out, you'll notice on the bottom of the fuser is two gray latches. You want to take your thumbs on the top, put them on the thumb holds that are right here, then take your forefingers and squeeze those gray latches and pull straight out on that fuser assembly. And there's your fuser. You get your new fuser. To go back in, there's a metal shelf right here on the frame of the machine. You'll take that new fuser and you'll set it in there on that metal shelf like so, and then take your thumbs and press that fuser in on both sides evenly until you hear it latch. And then you'll close your rear cover and you're done. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.